guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another comparison video. I am comparing two sunscreen. The first one is Reequal oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen, and the other one is photostable sunscreen. The hunt for the perfect sunscreen formula still continues. I'm excited to give you reviews about these two sunscreens, so let's get started. Let's start with Reequal oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. This is specifically made for oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. You get around 50 grams of product for 460 rupees. I bought it from Amazon and I will link the product in the description so you guys can check it out if you want to. For this sunscreen you get SPF 50 and it is PA+++. On the packaging it mentions that it is broad spectrum, which means it covers UVA and UVB. It is non-comedogenic, and like I said before, it is specifically made for sensitive and oily acne prone skin type. Another thing I found interesting on the packaging was that it is sulfate and mineral oil free. Before we go any further, let's discuss what oxybenzone and OMC mean. So these are two chemicals which are found in the chemical sunscreens, and this particular sunscreen does not have them. That means it is a physical sunscreen. I did a separate video where I talk about chemical sunscreen versus physical sunscreen. You guys can totally go and check that out, but after you watch this video I will link it in the description. In that video I discuss it in depth what chemical sunscreen and physical sunscreen are, but just to summarize it for you guys, physical sunscreen sits on top of your skin and it reflects the sun rays. Physical sunscreen doesn't actually get absorbed into your skin and supposed to be less irritating. They are better for sensitive skin. They're more moisturizing and they're naturally broad spectrum. That's a very good quality of a physical sunscreen. This sunscreen is water resistant. However, if you go for swimming or if you sweat a lot and you play sports, it is recommended that you apply it after you wash your face. My experience with this sunscreen has been that it doesn't make your skin too dry or too matte. If you see the consistency of this sunscreen, it is actually quite liquidy as compared to the other Reequal sunscreen. I will put in a comparison video. It is quite on the liquidy consistency as compared to the other Reequal sunscreen. So this sunscreen has not irritated my skin at all, and mind you, I do have a sensitive and acne prone skin. However, it does have a slight smell. It doesn't linger on for a long time. It says it has fragrance. It's the very last ingredient on the ingredient list, so it's not completely fragrance free. You must keep that in mind if you are someone whose skin is extremely sensitive and you can't take fragrance at all. Another good thing about this sunscreen is that there was no white cast after I applied this sunscreen, which is amazing because that's not a cute look, we all know that. Those were the pros and why I like this sunscreen. However, I do have a few cons which I noticed. First one is that it is heavy and it does feel like you've put sunscreen on your face, because like I said, physical sunscreen just sit on your skin and they don't get absorbed, and you can definitely tell that with this sunscreen. You just feel it sitting on your skin, which is not a nice feeling. Like, I did not enjoy that part of using this sunscreen. The second thing I did not like about this sunscreen was that it can very easily rub off, because it is sitting on your skin and it's not completely absorbed. If you tug your skin or if you touch your skin, it just comes off. Like, you can see this white things peeling off your skin. The third reason why I personally don't like this sunscreen is because when I wear my makeup, I can just feel that my makeup doesn't sit very well over this sunscreen, because like I said before, it can rub off easily. So when I'm applying the makeup, that very minute I can tell that even the sunscreen is moving underneath. Even the makeup doesn't look good and the sunscreen rubs off your face. So there's just like, why did I even bother putting the sunscreen when it's coming off my face, you know? It's not personally my favorite because it doesn't tick every criteria I have for a good sunscreen formula. So that was my review for Reequal sunscreen. So now let's talk about photo-stable sunscreen. You get about 75 grams of product for 510 rupees, which I think is amazing. The quantity is much more than what regular sunscreens give you. It is also SPF 40 plus and PA triple plus. Amazing range to look for in your sunscreen. Other things which are mentioned on the packaging include 8 hours of photo stability, broad spectrum UVA, UVB, water and sweat resistant, matches skin pH, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Everything aligns with what I look for in a sunscreen. Again, I just wanted to mention that I will be linking it in the description so you guys can check that out if you want to. As the name of this sunscreen suggests, it contains photostables, which means chemical compounds which are used in a chemical sunscreen. They protect from tanning and premature aging and also helps to maintain the skin texture. When I first applied this sunscreen, for a minute I was literally shocked because I felt that it was just like a white cast over my face. But as soon as I really massaged it into my skin, it just faded away, thank God. Like otherwise it was not a great look. Thankfully it just absorbed really well into my skin and there was no white cast whatsoever. It also has vitamin E, which makes this sunscreen super moisturizing, and I love that. I'm all for moisturizing. If a sunscreen is also moisturizing, that's just like a cherry on the top. That's a great plus for me. Another thing I really like about this moisturizer, and unlike the Recool one, this one sits beautifully on makeup. So the fragrance, I checked the ingredient list. It doesn't mention the word perfume or fragrance. However, it does have a slight scent, but it's not irritating. It's not overpowering, it's hardly even there. And it just ticks all the boxes. I'm really happy with this one. It has sort of taken over my daily routine and I'm hardly using the Recool one. It's no surprise, I will definitely pick this one over the Recool. That is my quick video on these two sunscreens, and there are more reviews coming up. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel because I'm still on a hunt for that perfect sunscreen available in Indian market. I don't know when will that happen, but I will let you guys know when that does. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.